Wait, hold up.
Bailey literally comes over here and does nothing.
Dude, why keeps rolling his window up?
I don't want you to talk to me.
Too bad it's like a heavy piece, yeah? You can't just carry him. I wish we could just carry him. Working on this car, Bailey can finish it. I'm gonna go pick up the food.
This is Bailey's helping Blaine. Like,
I should go over there and help Blaine. But it's funny because all three of us is right here just sitting down.
Bailey literally comes over here and does nothing.
It's like, you know how this bumper sticks out like a little bit from the taillights? You got it? You get it?
get out!
At all. This happened because of the kind. My wheel fell off. So it bounced up and it bent this. The other side's even. This side's just creased now.
Kitty, come out this side.
First gear? Alright, it's good. Second gear? I'm gonna get under the car and act like I know what to do, but I don't know what to do. Oh, I'm gonna put my beanie on.
So Blaine did everything, and now it's Bailey's turn to just put the exhaust back on.
No, I did.
And he's scared.
I'm not scared. It's cold. Where's everybody? I don't even know what to do.
I think it's time to go back in the house.
No, because you said he broke 2 out of 3 of the bolts, so I use 1 bolt.
Yeah.
They close the door. Wait, hold on. Let's go get them. What the frick? Where are they? He knows I'm gonna come back inside and be like, Blaine. You said you broke 2 out of the 3 bolts. Do you still have 1 bolt? Then I'm just gonna trust it.
Just to hold it up here, but I have the rest of the bolts there.
That tastes good.
Wait, what? That's why I'm confused. You gotta come outside with me.
Why? Why do I have to come outside with you? I'm just kidding, Bailey. We love you.
Because it's my wheelbase. Oh wait, I'm gonna shoot that. Alright.
Like a medium-sized boat, like this. Is this medium-sized?
Wait.
Medium size, if you just think of like Blaine,
Let me see.
you find a medium size.
No, that's Bradley size.
That's freaking.
That's a huge boat. That's too big, that boat. So go get one Blaine size boat.
Tiny Bradley size.
Bailey is just a washer.
Hey, what
What are you doing?
Bradley, show him how to take the shifter plate off so you can feel the turns.
You see that at the bottom of your shifting thing?
You're shifting. Yeah. I did everything. He said, "Oh, I have to take off those 6 bolts." Watch this. I'm gonna grab their hand. Put it inside.
You're gonna grab their hand.
That's your whole.
You crazy guy.
Crazy. You guys is crazy, guys.
Wait, how? Hey, stop, dude.
You gotta take these ones off.
Hey, stop! It's scary. Hey.
Can you roll down your window?
Oh, it don't work. Oh, it do. Even though it's like what, 30, 40 years old? No, 34, 35?
About 35 feet.
What are they looking for? 10?
Yeah.
Out of 12?
What, did you step in it?
I it all over my freaking head. Oh my god.
He's literally.
Hey, let's help him. Help him. Help him.
Come over here. Come over here.
Oh my god.
Come over here. Come over here. Ready?
Wait, with the
Put
water.
that away. Put the thing away.
It puts some cold too. It's really hot.
No, just leave it hot.
You know why? Because it's cold outside. And nobody's gonna laugh even in the video?
Yeah.
It's like, why do we even have that right there? Bradley, should I put down your beard? It's like, I have to hold it.
Should I put some right here?
No. That was good.
That was caramel.
Yeah. Hey, let me rub your head. No.
I don't understand. How did you splash it on your head?
He moved out the car with his head.
Came out from under the car, and then I went like this to stand up, and the whole thing was like this.
This is the trans fluid that everybody keeps putting their head in.
That's probably what it's supposed to feel like, huh? No more the kind. Oh, I need this. Yeah, that fits. That's about right.
Yeah, that's the one I need.
About right. Wait, why did it fit? That fits though.
Bailey, what did you...
I just went like this.
But you put it on there,
I put it on here.
then it fell off.
And you lost it? This is Bailey's only draw on the whole day.
I don't think
Bailey.
he gave it to me.
He just I recorded him giving it to you.
I don't know. I was like, I don't know. For real though, for real.
Bailey.
It's like almost funny, dude.
No, it was funny half an hour ago, Bailey.
Where is the freaking socket?
Bailey.
Bailey is the worstest.
No, dude, there's no way you didn't give me the freaking 12. We looked everywhere.
I did.
Are you sure?
He lost the
No, He didn't even, I don't know if he gave me it or not. I can't remember.
I gave him. Are we going to rewind the camera or can we look at footage? Because I gave him the 12 and the extension.
And he walked right there.
He walked to go do it. He came back. He's like, I lost the 12.
Dude, no, it's not weird though. Maybe like something.
This guy.
Can I just do it with this? But it's hard. I just answered my own question. I can't just do it with this. It's just gonna be hard.
Just do it then, because the amount of time it's taking right now. If you just did it with
the
that.
whole time.
Bro.
You were gone.
You're bad.
We got it. And at least, like, if this doesn't work, then we'll know.
For your next card.
Wider grip.
Jerry.
That's fine.
Dude, my head's cold. I want my beanie.
Fucking. Did he? My head's cold. I want my beanie. Freaking Bailey. I hope it's Cherry.
I know.
Try second gear again, because I can't. Like you'll see. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna just try. No, it's my wheelbase. It's my wheelbase. See that? How I can't do the second turn?
Like it feels like you're just driving.
Feels like I'm just driving. I'm not breaking traction, am I? I'm not, huh? That sucks.
It does, and I'm getting frustrated.
So what does that mean if it's not letting go all the way? What do you have to do?
I don't know if I have to bleed it or it feels like it's not fully functioning.
Disengaged.
Because like now it's coming back, but before it would just stop halfway.
I'm gonna take Christine.
There you go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.